My name is Lou LaRocca. I'm the president of J2 Interactive. We're based in Charlestown, Massachusetts, and we've been a customer of Complete Payroll Solutions since 2006. So one of the things that's amazing about Complete Payroll is we've been working with them for 8 years, and there's an amazing amount of continuity. The people that you work with are the people that stay with you, and it really feels like they're part of the team for the long haul. So it's kind of the same benefit as though we had hired people and that they were employees of our company, because they don't go away, they don't turn over. We always wanted to be very competitive with other companies. We wanted to be better than competitive, really, and we wanted to make sure we had a really strong package. So Complete Payroll helped us put together a 401k plan that had a safe harbor match with it. We also have our medical and dental that Complete Payroll brokered for us and helped us get that in place. Life insurance, short-term and long-term disability, all of these different things that are part of the package. Flex spending plan, all of those things are benefits that our employees really enjoy, and that's a big part of attracting and retaining talented people. The pricing that we get from Complete Payroll is great. I've never really had to haggle with them about it, never really had to even think much about it, because I knew that the prices I was getting were really reasonable. We do a lot of different things with them, and they give us a packaged sort of pricing, a relationship pricing. They said, look, you know, you're using all these services, we can make this easy for you. And so from a pricing standpoint, it's great. Even if it wasn't for the pricing, it's great just because we go to one organization that's handling all of this for us. So to some degree, it's actually got a premium value for us in terms of the less hassle. As we've grown and we've taken on more and more employees, there's a certain kind of cost and distraction that goes along with just onboarding people and getting them on payroll, getting them on the benefits plan. Occasionally somebody actually chooses to leave us, and when they do, we have to do that whole process and make sure everyone's terminated properly, make sure that COBRA happens, all those sorts of things. These kinds of administrative functions are all things that Complete Payroll takes care of for us. So for us, it's a very simple process. All we have to do is provide some real basic information on the employee, and they're able to take care of the rest. One of the big projects that Complete Payroll Solutions helped us with was when we got to a point where we realized we really need to have a proper employee handbook in place. And we didn't really just want to take a stock employee handbook that you download off the internet. We wanted something that really reflected our values, our company's communication style, the way in which we interact with our employees, and didn't seem stuffy, frankly. And so Complete Payroll really helped us quite a bit with that. They gave us some templates, and then they provided several rounds of review. So I was recrafting this in my own words and making sure that it still met the legal obligations, to make sure that we're wording things properly, that we're making the correct reference to the appropriate laws and so on, that we were doing things the right way, but in our words. And so they helped us several rounds of edits and going through it and reviewing and reading every page of this 50-page monster that we put together. And it ended up being something that really reflected who we are, thanks to their help. Looking ahead, I mean, we know that we're going to continue to grow. We know that means more people. I'm really happy with the fact that I know that I probably don't have to hire additional administrative staff when I'm scaling, because I think Complete Payroll has the ability to scale along with us and take care of those things for us. When we add new states and put people into the payroll, they've handled that every step of the way, so I know that that's going to continue to happen. The technology innovation that's taking place at Complete Payroll, and that's a big part of our growth too, and that's what I see looking forward to the future, to make it easier and easier to keep going.